Today, we're in downtown Toronto, just off Queens Quay West. And what you're looking at is the 2019 Ranger Tugs R-23, designed for coastal cruising and weekend getaways. The R-23 combines comfort, reliability, and timeless style. This particular vessel has had just one freshwater owner since new. It's powered by a Yamaha 200 HP outboard with 525 hours and comes equipped with bow thruster, autopilot, and full navigation systems. The midnight blue hull shines against the Toronto skyline, and every detail, from the curved windshield to the integrated swim platform, speaks to thoughtful design and quality craftsmanship. We start at the transom, where the Yamaha 200 HP outboard sits ready for adventure, just above the wide swim platform. Turning forward, the cockpit welcomes you with wraparound seating and a teak table, ideal for sunrise coffee or sunset cocktails. As we step inside, the salon opens up in soft beige and black accents. Light floods through panoramic windows and overhead skylights, creating an airy living space. Passing the helm, you get just a glimpse of the Garmin 943 XSV navigation. Moving forward, the forward berth offers a comfortable sleeping area for two, bathed in natural light. To port, the head features a stainless sink, full marine toilet, and a standing shower. All enclosed for privacy, yet styled to blend seamlessly with the cabin's finishes. As we return through the center, you can feel the balance of this interior. The clever storage, clean lines, and welcoming proportions. Equipped with cooktop, fridge/freezer, and microwave. Finally, stepping back out, the cockpit seating reappears, and once more you see that powerful outboard just beyond, ready for the next journey. The Ranger R-23 delivers big boat features in a compact, easy-to-handle form. With a cruising speed around 23 knots and a top speed close to 32, it's ready for your next adventure, whether that's exploring the Toronto Islands, cruising up to Lake Simcoe, or heading toward the Thousand Islands and Georgian Bay. This model includes full service history, has only been used in freshwater, and is in exceptional condition. Truly a turnkey boat. If you can feel that breeze calling your name, click the link below to speak with our listing agent and make this dream and this boat yours. Until then, may your next voyage be as effortless as it is unforgettable.